Alright, we're out here doing the sump. Okay, we're under here. We're going to do the sump installation. So, as you see, I already got the hole drilled. And about ready to install the sump plate. We got it in there. I just gotta get it over hole. Okay. Okay. So you put your sump. Okay, it's installed. Now we'll just hook up our fuel lines and we'll be good to go. Okay, we're on the way to my friend Logan's house to help him cut some wood for his grandpa. So we're going to do a time-lapse video of that, and then we're also going to be working on the sump a little bit more. I woke up this morning and went outside and found diesel fuel on the ground. So, come to find out, my drain plug is leaking. So, the plan is to take that out, plug the hole, put some pipe sealant tape on the threads, and then reseal it. So, hopefully that will take care of it, but we'll see. So we'll go ahead and jump to the time-lapse video right now.
Like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat.
Meow.